Adriana, say woo!
Say arms up. Both of them, boo-boo. Trying to get her to do it on camera. Say woo! She ain't trying to do it. But anyway, you know, so we watching the drama. Watching the drama. Yeah! Watching the drama over here, and Adriana ain't trying to go to sleep even though she's tired. Even though she's tired, she ain't trying to go to sleep. What do you think about doing the ceiling? I said, did you think about when you was gonna do the ceiling?
Will you come? Oh, absolutely. You know, absolutely. I'll be in the background observing and make sure that doesn't get out of control.
Okay, because they're gonna be gone next weekend.
Lisa and Sheree will be seeing each other since they're
Yeah, do it for real, boo boo. Say, look, Mom, no hands. No hands.
Without having a big blow up.
Yay!